All right, my Wiffy is having fun. She's riding a camel. Finally talked her into it. Just to let you all know, the maximum weight is 175
round,
pounds.
Little one?
I am
Wow,
250,
okay.
so they said no. So actually,
Interesting.
what was that? 75 pounds overweight.
Big
But my
animal,
Wiffy
right?
is perfect.
To make, yes, little balls. Bye.
Like the Queen of England.
Yeah.
And you're gorgeous. What's your name?
Gus.
Gus. Oh, baby. You look like you're having fun.
Yeah, more relaxed.
More relaxed.
Oi.
Or do